Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing files so you can safely change numbers. First, back up the Fortnite directory and your profile. This prevents permanent loss. Next, install Unreal Pack and a reliable text editor because you will extract and repackage assets. Then, find the relevant pack files in Fortnite game/content. These contain damage tables. Once done, extract only the suspected small package to work with. Make sure to use version control to track every change, which helps you revert quickly if needed. You now focus on the middle steps, extracting and editing. Use Unreal Pack to extract the specific UAsset or INI that holds damage tables so you avoid touching unrelated assets. Open the file in your editor and locate fields labeled damage, multiplier, or falloff. Change numbers incrementally to test balance and maintain decimal precision to prevent parsing errors. Once edited, save changes and increment a version note. Make sure to preserve original values in a separate file so you can compare and restore if something breaks. You finish by repackaging and validating your edits. Repack the modified assets using Unreal Pack into the exact pack structure you extracted from so game paths remain consistent. Then launch Fortnite in a private match or test environment to verify damage values behave as intended. Watch hit registration and numbers. If you encounter crashes or invalid values, restore your backup immediately and inspect game logs for parsing errors or checksum failures. This single troubleshooting tip usually reveals a misplaced.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.